Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's video is all about small kitchen organization and lots of decoration. Whenever we hear the term kitchen, an image clicks in every mind where a mom is cooking food and she is surrounded by several kitchen items. Kitchen not only serves great food but also serves the love of the person cooking inside. So this is the most important room for me, and this place must look beautiful in all ways. At the same time, whatever we are using to decorate our kitchen must be functional also. You can always be creative when it comes to decorate the kitchen, keeping in mind that all the decoration we are doing has to be functional and not just a decorative expensive piece. So in this video, let's see how I decorate my small kitchen along with the organization. An organized and beautiful kitchen surely keeps us motivated all the time. So let's start the video without any delay. Beautify your kitchen by adding live plants. You can add any type of indoor plants or any of your favorite plant to your countertop and over any shelf. It's a simple addition to bring in vibrant colors. You can also add lights. By adding lights, I did not mean to change your light fixtures, but you can use these pretty fairy lights wherever you want and it will definitely look very beautiful in your kitchen. These lights are not very expensive and you may easily get it from any local shop or from online website. It will simply add lots of beauty to your kitchen. Always try to keep decorative tray nearby for easy function and fashion in the kitchen. It is purely functional and add on so much beauty to the kitchen countertop. At the same time, it will keep everything organized at one place. Showcase your beautiful collection in a way that it will look great and at the same time it will function for you. I have these beautiful ceramic jars which I like to display on my countertop, plus I am storing things which I always need while cooking. So it looks beautiful and keep my kitchen organized and mess free. By using this colorful mat just below this pretty rack, add beauty to my kitchen. I have shown you white rack just a minute ago, and this is another one, black in color, and it is very spacious and narrow, which is not at all occupying much of my counter space. So by adding such beautiful organizer in your kitchen is just a other way of beautifying your kitchen with proper organization. We all have couple of cookbooks for getting recipes. Try to cover these cookbook with colorful papers and place them on open racks. It will add so much color to your kitchen. with easy access and will simply look awesome. For a rustic look, use vintage basket in place of a fruit bowl. You can even paint them to match or leave them in their antique state, just like I did. I like to use them in their natural color. These baskets are useful for organizing small things in your kitchen, and it looks great as a decor piece. Just keep anywhere in the kitchen. They will change the look of your kitchen by adding vintage look, and also keeps your kitchen organized. I bought this small pretty baskets from Amazon, and they are so cute and very useful for storing little tiny things which we always tend to keep here and there and then search when needed. Use this cute little basket to store anything you want, and they will keep them organized and add on so much beauty to your kitchen. Use the space over the cabinet for placing flower vase or other decorative items. Every inch counts in a small kitchen, so use all those top space which we always forget to use for displaying your kitchen decorations. You can also add colors and beauty to your kitchen by using colorful kitchen towels. Organize them nicely on a rack, and these colorful kitchen towels will definitely add beauty to your kitchen and keep your kitchen organized. Hang a piece of art on the wall for an interesting yet modest focal point. Add some inspirational quote for positive vibes. Surely it will enhance the beauty of your kitchen walls. You can add similar looking glass jars on open shelf. One of the best small kitchen decorating idea is to coordinate matching pieces throughout the space to create visual flow. Use matching glass jars to store and display ingredients on an open shelf for a cohesive appearance. You may also display your beautiful coffee mugs on an open shelf for an easy access. They will look organized if placed like this and create beauty to the shelf. Try to use a rug that pops and you will have a decorated kitchen just like that. Simplest way to add beauty to the floor. Most of the time we ignore our kitchen floor, but by adding just a beautiful rug, it adds so much to the kitchen decor. Kitchen decoration and organization can be ongoing journey. By following these easy kitchen tips, I always try to keep it clean and organized, but at the same time, I want my kitchen to look beautiful as other rooms. If you like this video and my kitchen tips, do share with your friends and don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.